reached the IKEA store Hyderabad. Very excited to do all the shopping. Today is day 1, tomorrow is day 2. This all shopping is all for the new apartment that we are shifting, and moreover I just wanted to buy it from IKEA because I've been an IKEA fan from a very long time. So we are here today. Let's get inside and see what's exciting and what is that we're going to buy. Come on. If you really want to buy duvets, come to IKEA. You have amazing quality duvets, and in terms of duvet covers, right? Look at there, how amazing those colors are. So good. Wow, that blue is so nice. There is so much to cover, guys. If you don't really plan well on what you exactly need, then you'll really get screwed up, because when there are so many things around you, you will really get overwhelmed, and when a confused mind will never buy. So that is what has happened to us. But in this case, I had really planned well. I knew what exactly I want. I went to their IKEA app. I listed down what are the things that I need. Even though I planned out everything, when I see so many things around, I'm totally confused on what to buy, what not to buy. So it is always good to come here if you really plan out well. Know what you exactly need. The best way is like go to IKEA app or to their website. Make sure that you note down what you need, put them into the cart, or make sure you have a plan and then come here, or else even the 3-day shopping will never happen. I was in the first floor. I think I was in the first floor. Now I'm going to the downstairs. So first floor is all about the showroom, like you got to see a lot of things showcased. You take the photos there, and if you want any kind of cookery items or any small things, you come here. There are so many things to buy, guys. I feel like buying this. I also feel like buying that. I don't know. So once we're done, I'll catch you up.
2 hours later.
Finished all the kitchen items. Very nice collections. I'm so excited. We also got very cute little plates, which is so cute, and I'm pretty sure nowhere I would have got this if other than IKEA. And now we are looking for some cushions for the couches, but yeah, let's see which will be good. So there are like so many things. Really nice one. Finally, we finished the day 1 of shopping in IKEA. We actually entered around 12 o'clock inside, and then we are out now by 9 o'clock. It was a really good experience day. The first 4 hours we really got confused on what to do, how to do the purchasing, how to do the shopping, because it's completely different than what I had experienced till date. And then we slowly understood how to do the right shopping, what to keep in my mind, and how to really figure out things once we had the right plan. So we went to the table section, made sure that we got the right tables for our office, and then we also made sure that we have the right chairs for our workplace as well. Then we've moved into the cushion areas, because we wanted a couch, cushions, curtains, rug, so many things, right? So we made sure that we have everything set to our lounge kind of living area space. Then I just wanted to buy some kitchen items, a lot of new kitchen items for my purposes. And then after that, we still wanted to buy lightings. We wanted to buy a lot more decorative items, but then we couldn't do it because we were totally exhausted on full day of walking inside the IKEA store, and finally we stopped. We stopped all of that because tomorrow, what is our plan is we will be doing, we'll be purchasing a lot of lights, decorative items, and some more things. We don't know, like when we see a lot of new items, attractive items, I just end up buying all of that. So this is all for day one. It's almost 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock now. Look, all of them are actually going out. It's IKEA store is almost closed, and I'm actually in front of the outside IKEA, so you can see that name called, yeah, I can see IKEA in the back. So that's it for today, guys. See you all in day number 2. Super excited, super fun shopping here. I'll keep you posted what we will be buying, what we'll be purchasing tomorrow. That'll be the day 2 is the final shopping day for us. So see you all. Now it's our time to go have dinner, head to the room. I got some office work, and then we're done for today.